Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest topics of 2025, how to make money with crypto nodes.
This is presented to you by Education 4708. Just proceed to view the full content.
Disclaimer: the content on this channel is meant only to provide helpful insights, tips, and information on certain subject or topic. While we strive to provide accurate and up-to-date knowledge, this is not a substitute for professional advice. Always consult a qualified expert or professional for your specific needs. We encourage you to use this content as a guide for learning and additional information. If you think this does not fit what you want, please skip the video.
It's a game changer, and if you're not on board yet, you're missing out on some lucrative opportunities. Let's get started. So, what are crypto nodes, and how can they make you money? Simply put, nodes are the backbone of blockchain networks. They validate transactions, store blockchain data, and support decentralized applications, all while generating potential revenue for you. First up, let's talk about the types of crypto nodes and how they generate revenue. These are the workhorses of blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum. They store the entire blockchain and validate transactions. While they don't generate direct profits, they're crucial for network security and can be valuable for businesses. Think Dash or Flux. These nodes do more than just validate transactions. They enable instant transactions and governance votes, earning you rewards in new coins or transaction fees. Just remember, they require a collateral deposit, like 1,000 Dash for a Dash Masternode. Perfect for networks using proof of stake like Ethereum 2.0 or Cardano. By locking up tokens as collateral, you earn staking rewards. For instance, running an Ethereum 2.0 validator node requires 32 ETH and can earn you around 5 to 7% annually. These provide blockchain data to apps, wallets, and users. Platforms like Pocket Network pay you for serving blockchain API requests. It's a fantastic way to monetize your tech skills. Platforms like Storage and Filecoin use these nodes to store and retrieve files securely. If you have extra storage space, you can get paid in crypto for renting it out. Now let's discuss some strategies to make money with these nodes in 2025. First, choose the right type of node. If you have technical expertise, go for validator nodes like Ethereum or Solana. For passive income, masternodes like Dash or Flux are your best bet. Have extra storage? Run a storage node. Next, consider staking in validator nodes. Ethereum 2.0 staking can yield 5 to 7% annually. If setting up a physical server sounds daunting, use cloud-based services like Allnodes or Anchor. Setting up masternodes with high ROI is another great strategy. Flux node, for instance, requires 10,000 Flux as collateral but offers high monthly rewards. Running RPC nodes on platforms like Pocket Network can also be highly profitable, especially if you're tech-savvy. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are challenges and risks to consider. High initial costs, technical knowledge, market volatility, and competition are all factors you need to account for. In conclusion, crypto nodes are a fantastic way to earn passive income in 2025. Whether it's Ethereum 2.0 staking, masternodes like Flux, or RPC nodes on Pocket Network, the opportunities are endless. Just choose the right node and strategy for your budget and expertise. Got questions or need help picking the right node? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto insights. See you next time.
Thanks for watching.